Hello friends, welcome to Weekend Fun. In this video you can see how together with my son we made these natural looking lotus flowers using pistachio shells. Before getting started, let's see the supplies required. We need pistachio shells, pink and green paint. Here I am using pink acrylic paint for the shine. Brushes, glue or fevicol, cardboard and scissors. Let's start painting the petals with pink both inside and out. By looking at his big brother, my little one wanted to join as well, so he painted green leaves. Once the painting is done, allow it to dry completely like this on a sheet of paper. The dried pistachio shells are ready. For the base, make circles on the cardboard with the desired radius. Cut them into circles. Our base is ready for the flower. Let's start making the inner part of the flower, which is slightly the trickier part. You can build on layers as per your flower size. It's time to add leaves to the flowers. Our lotuses are ready. We had great time making these flowers at home during lockdown. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.